Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 1. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, continue and let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes we'll have to retrain the voice model, so let's retrain it and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy, with a high of 17 and a low of 13.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.